What's up, y'all? Welcome back. What's up? What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Hey, everyone, guys. Welcome back to my channel.
About to scoop cash, that's my little boo thing. Pretty brown skin nigga, and she not loop.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get weekly uploads on Sundays. And I'm about to get this thing going. So I'm about to do a hair product review. Yes, I said product review. I haven't done one of these in a minute, by the way. Like, it's been 1, 2, probably 3 months since I did an actual product review for you guys. So I'm gonna do one today, and I'm gonna do it based on Carol's daughter's product, the almond milk ultra nourishing. Can you see that? Ultra nourishing hair mask, which I find, by the way, is pretty good for me. I have 4C hair. The back of my hair is coily, and then the front is a different kind of curl pattern. So I think it works well because when I use it, it works. I'm doing this, like putting this in my hair, and it's going through my hair like it's butter. Like my hair, like detangling it easily. Like I said that twice. Detangle my hair way easier than most products that I've had used, I can say. And like my hair soaks up the nutrients and vitamins that's in this product. Like my hair is more shinier, if that's even a word. My hair is more shiny. My hair is less frizzy, literally less frizzy than it ever was before when I was washing my hair. My hair has elasticity to it. Like pull a freaking one of my curls and boop, goes back to it's red. It goes back. This product is awesome. I actually like it. My hair likes it. I can tell when my hair actually likes the product because it actually, like I said, it sucks up the nutrients and the vitamins that's in hair products. And this product is awesome. So my hair, I know people will say, but it says it's for extremely damaged, over processed hair. I feel like sometimes my hair is a little over processed because I just feel like I do too much to my hair sometimes. Like too many different hairstyles. Like I'll keep a hairstyle in it for 1 or 2 days and then do another style in it, and it's like too much too much work going on at once versus letting it sit and letting it heal and stuff like that. This, like I said, is for extremely damaged, over processed hair, so it helps reverse damage, deeply nourishes, and it protects against further damage. And it has almond milk, aloe butter, and it has shea oil in it, which is a good product. Let me show you guys this again because do you see that? This, like, you see that it's not too thick, like I said, and it's not too light. It has a great consistency. I have a little bit on my hands, and you can actually see like the little oils, you can see the oils and stuff in it. And it actually smells extremely good in your hair. Like when you put it in your hair, when I usually like do my hair, I two-strand it, and then I put a hair cap on, and then I put over the hair cap a hot rag over my shower cap, and then I put my bonnet on to like keep the heat in to help open my shaft to like deeply get all those nutrients inside the hair shafts as well. Like this brand overall is great. Like when I say this brand actually does its job. Like I can say that for sure. And it's for daily damage repair. So you get damage from like the sun, you get damage from the pollution from the fucking sky and stuff. Well, pollution damage, like a whole bunch of like stuff, like damage from the how hot it is outside, damage from how much the wind is blowing, like the pollutants. That's not how you say that word, but fuck it. Pollution, like those kinds of damages that this will help you with. And over processing, I think when they mean by over process, I think they saying like if you're constantly flat ironing your hair, manipulating it, constantly dyeing your hair and like doing a lot of different stuff to it over process. You need to cut that. And if you want to cut that out, get this. This will help you with that. This is really, I just like this product. Like, if I didn't like it, I would do a review and say I'm not with it. I don't feel it, but I'll tell you like the stuff that's in it and like what it does to you, or, well, what it helps you with, as far as hair wise and everything like that. But yeah, and I like the fact that her story, when she's saying how she thought of the whole brand and what made her come up with the idea to name it what she did. And the story on the back is really good. She basically got the idea from the name from her mom because she was so inspired by her, and like not only her but people in her family like helping her like buy the product and using it, and her seeing how it like got them looking great and sexy. And I am all for that. All for that. This is a great product. And that's all I have for you guys for this video today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I will do a updated, well, not an updated, but I will do another review on the same brand, the Carol's Daughter brand, but not the another ultra, like not another hair mask, but it's more on two that I have brought that I'm actually using like weekly to see how well my hair obtains to the ingredients in it. And let me tell y'all, my hair is doing amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So I'm about to end this video. I hope you guys like this video. And your girl is out.